Hello, friends, and welcome to this 5K challenge public account. Now, I have just set up my $5,000 account for you. You can see here, balance is $5,000. Okay, and if you go to account history, I have deposited $5,000 initially. Okay, now why exactly 5,000? I will talk about that because I am planning on making this account public. Public as in I will give you weekly updates about this account. I guess every Sunday I will send you an email if you are into my email list. If you're not into my email list, click on the link below this video and join my email list so that you can receive weekly updates, okay? So today is 14th of September 2024 when I'm recording this video. This is week 0, okay? And we will be going live on this account on Monday, which will be 16th of September 2024. So you will be watching this video, I guess, maybe on 15th tomorrow, okay? Whatever. So I guess probably you will receive this video randomly, okay? Anyway, so you can see my balance is $5,000 right now. And coming back to my Syndicate program here, so why exactly $5,000 and why do I want to show you something? Because I have a couple of accounts. One is for $10,000, other is for $25,000. I am not going to show them in public because there I do manual trading, okay? Manual trading I'm not teaching to anybody as of now because it takes a lot of mind, stress, and not everybody can do it. Not everybody will have time for it, okay? But I have come up with the strategy. As you can see here, I have been working on the charts and the graphs for months now. But recently, I have discovered a strategy in which if you, let's say, deposit $5,000, your account will be safe. Now, this strategy I have discovered after testing, you could say, last 30 days or so, okay? So, yeah, this is something new, and this is something which you need to know. Whether you join the program or nobody cares, okay? Whether you join or not, I'm making my money and I'm happy with that. So if you buy something, if you don't buy something, it's all right. But you have to watch this video to understand how this thing works live. Right now, we have not taken in trades because, again, this is weekend. We will be starting or go live on Monday, 16th of September 2024. And then every Sunday, I'll send you videos that how much did we make every week, okay? So I was coming back to my Syndicate program here. Now, in a nutshell, Syndicate program, as you might be aware, if you are into my email list, is that this is a program in which we use a software to implement on the chart and on the graph, and then the software does the trading automatically. Now, in this Syndicate, we have two options. Either you go and do it yourself. So you have to, in option number 1, you have to go through the 9 hours training. As you can see here, the program is 9 hours long. So in option number 1 in Syndicate, you have to go to the training yourself and do all the setup by yourself and manage everything. And you can get in touch with me on Skype whenever you need any help, okay? This option is going to cost you $1,500. Option 1, do it yourself after going through the training. That will cost you $1,500 today, as of today, okay? Second option is here, it says option 2, like this one is profit sharing, where you only deposit the money and I take care of the rest, okay? And I will use this new strategy because in new strategy, you could say that you will never lose your account. Listen to my words very carefully. 99.9% you will never lose your account because 0.1% unforeseen circumstances can happen anytime. Nobody can control it, okay? So I had been working my ass off to find out a strategy where people do not lose their account, and minimum requirement I have decided for that should be $5,000, okay? It's not because I am greedy that I'm asking you to deposit $5,000. No, I have $25,000 account and $10,000, so I don't need your money. The requirement $5,000, I'm making this for you or for somebody else so that it should be worth my time for working on your account, and then I should be able to protect your account from blowing up, okay? And then in return, you should be able to make something out of it. Something as in, if you make only, let's say, $10, that's not worth it, okay? So if you deposit, let's say $1,000, and I say I'll make you $10 per day, that's not worth it, okay? So let's say if you deposit 5,000, and if you can make 60, 50, $70 per day, that will be much more beneficial. Remember here, if I'm saying $60 per day or $50 per day on 5,000, that is for some people too less. But remember, I'm giving you the protection that your account will not blow up. Okay, so less money, but for long term. Or if you want me to do with this high risk trading, in high risk trading, you could blow up anytime. You will make quick profits, but you could blow up anytime. Okay, so that is what I had been working on for these number of days, weeks, months, and finally we have a strategy where you will have to have some money to get, invest, and then slowly, steadily, you will see the profit. Okay, that is why the amount is 5,000, and that is why I am going to make this account in public, because when I am claiming that in option 2, where is that? In option 2, you have to deposit minimum 5K. If I'm claiming that, then I'm going to show you the proofs as well, that how the 5K account will bring profits to you on weekly basis, and how much you can make with it, with my strategy, without blowing up your account. Remember this word, without blowing up your account. Okay, now come back here, and again, this is a new strategy. This is a new strategy, not something in my old training program. Okay, come back here again. So if you want to go with option 2, I will recommend you start with 5K, because this will be on this profit sharing basis, okay? So if you deposit 5K, which means whatever profits we will be making, 40% I will take and 60% you will take, okay? So let's say you make, how much? Let's say you make $200 in week 1 on 5,000, okay? Let's imagine that you deposited 5,000, we went live, and all of this will happen automatically, which means that I will set up the whole software and everything, and the software will do the work. It took me, I was working on it. So you have to choose the currency pair, which currency pair are going to trade, which currency pair will not blow up your account, which currency pair will, react in the market news and all that, okay? So this thing comes with the mental stress, and they have to learn so much. Education, learning keeps going on, and then eventually in the end, if you succeed, you can come up with some strategy which you could make in public, which I've decided to do now. Okay, as in public, as in you will not know anything. Okay, you won't know anything, because this strategy which I am talking about, which I will apply this 5K account, this strategy is not taught to you if you go in option number 1. Let me be very clear, okay? If you go into this training option 1, because I told you, I have discovered this strategy recently, okay? So in this option 1 training program, the requirement is not 5,000. You could start with 100, 200, 500, whatever amount you are feasible with. And this option 1 works perfectly well as well. Don't get me wrong, okay? I'm not saying that option 1 doesn't work and option 2 only works. No, option 1 also works perfectly well if you follow the training and you maintain your stop loss, and everything is inside the training, and you always have the chance to contact me, message me on Skype, and if you need any help directly, okay? So option 1 is good for those people who do not have 5,000, or rather, they don't want to share their profits, okay? So you can go for option 1 if you want to. Otherwise, we will go for, you can go for option this 2, which is 5K deposit. You have to deposit 5K. We will go live, but you can take your time. I'm not here for your money. I already have my money, okay? I am making this account public, and you will see weekly updates, just because I want you to know what you will be getting once you go ahead and start trading with me, or rather I do this for you on autopilot using the software, okay? Because not everybody can learn trading, because trading is like a full-time thing. I'm a full-timer, okay? It's not like I do in a full-time job. No, I don't work anywhere else. I had been doing this full-time, and then eventually I had been able to achieve this knowledge, okay? So even if I want to teach everybody manual trading, I think it's not worth it. Not everybody is chosen You have to be chosen to be in this market and then make it successful. Okay. So anyways, keep it short. If you want this method to work, again, I can't say this enough. This is a new strategy, which means this thing, I mean, there are a couple of key points. You have to start with 5,000, and then you will have your account protected, which means that 99.99% your account will not blow up. 0.1% chance is always there, okay? Now, let me give you some example how much you could potentially make, okay? For example, let's say people tell you, you go and watch on YouTube, every big forex trader, or it's a thumb rule, by the way, that you are supposed to risk 1 to 2% of your capital when you take a trade. Okay, so for example, if you have $5,000 account, as per the definition, we can only risk maximum 2% of the capital amount. So if I come to my CalC, I'll show this to you. So if you multiply 2 into 5,000 divided by 100, so this means $100. Okay, so technically, what means here that we can only risk $100 out of $5,000 as per the definition of forex market if you want to survive a long term. However, if you go into my this Syndicate option 1 training program, in the training program I have explained that how many lots you need to use as per the capital amount. Okay, so if you're gonna use, let's say, only $100 risk, then your lot size should be 0.5. Okay, so let me close this one. Okay, so if I come here, you will not know what I'm saying, but in case, I'm giving a brief idea. Okay, so for $100 capital, which you want to use for your trading, your lot size only should be 0.05. That's what I have explained in the training option 1. Okay. Anyways, coming back to this calculator which I have here. So let's say if you have this 0.05, and then how much profit you're gonna take. Normally we take 5 pips profit in one trade. Okay, so I'm gonna calculate. So if you see here, you're gonna make $1.86. Okay, so on $100, remember, on $5,000, if you go by the market gurus, they say you risk 2%. 2% means $100. Okay, and $100 will have the lot size of 0.05. and you will take 5 pips profit, your profit will be $1.86. I don't think you want this. On a $5,000 account, I don't think you want this, okay? So let me show you what my strategy is going to bring to you, or how much you can make using my strategy, which you will see obviously in the coming weeks on this very live account, okay? So what I'm proposing is, in my case, you could end up making, on a $5,000 account, you could end up making at least 50 to 60 bucks per day. This is my calculation, okay? I'm not going to explain this, how did I calculate it, but I'm showing you the screen here that if we go with a $5,000 account, which I will go live in next couple of days, and then you will see, yes, this is how on average you could make every day or whatever, okay? So, and now remember here, if you go by the market analysis that you risk your 2% of the capital amount, you could hardly make like $2, even not even $2, $1.8 in like one trade, okay? But I'm talking about in my strategy, you could make up to like $50, $60 in just one day. I will not say in one trade, but in one day, okay? And all this money will be made automatically. You will be sleeping, I will be sleeping, and the software will be doing the job. It's like once I set up the software and I give the settings and everything, after that, I only have to check it maybe weekly, and that's all about it, okay? Now, some key points there. I know not everybody can afford to start with $5,000. My goal is not here to get your money. I have my money with me, I'm happy. But the goal is, if I'm asking somebody to pay $5,000 in profit sharing, then I'm going to show you the live results that how much you can get back in 5K weekly. Okay, that's why I've started this live account, and I'll send you details next week. So thanks for watching the video, and let's make some money together.